Hi guys, back again. Just wanted to go over one more thing with you. On your test and quiz coming up very, very soon, you're also going to have to be able to, when you're given three numbers and three sides of the right triangle, and we are asking you to determine whether or not it's a right triangle or not, okay, you have to be able to use the Pythagorean theorem to plug in the numbers to figure out if it is a right triangle, yes, or no, it is not a right triangle. And this is how you do that. First of all, you use your Pythagorean theorem formula, which is easy, all right? And the one thing you do have to remember is, you notice they do not have the right triangle 90-degree angle here. But one thing that gives that away is the fact that your hypotenuse, or your C, is always the largest number on here. So the largest number out of 5, 9, and 11 is obviously your 11, so that's going to be my C. I'm going to plug that in here and make sure I put squared next to that. And then I can decide which one of these I want to be the A and the B. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to go 5 squared plus 9 squared. But it would be the same either way because of the commutative property. So 5 squared, or 5 times 5, is 25. Plus 9 squared, or 9 times 9, is 81. And 11 times 11, or 11 squared, just as a reminder in your calculator, you can punch in 11 and then the caret button. And then since it's squared, you would put a 2 and enter, and you're going to get 121. So to determine whether or not this is a right triangle or not, both sides of the equation have to be equal. This side right now is 121. If these two numbers, when we add them together, are also 121, then our answer is yes, it is a right triangle. If they do not equal 121, then our answer is no. Okay, it's just maybe an obtuse or an acute triangle. So when we add together 81 and 25, you can do that in your calculator or by hand, I am getting 106. And I know 106 is not equal to 121, so my answer is a big fat no. This is not a right triangle. Okay, I do want to show you one more just in case, because sometimes your answer is going to be yes. If your answer is yes, I'll just do a very basic one here. If it was a simple triangle like a 3, 4, 5 triangle, for instance, this was 5, this is 4, sorry, and this is 3. Same thing, your longest or biggest number is going to be your C, 5 squared, 3 squared, plus 4 squared. Okay, you're noticing that when I draw my line, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 times 4, which is 16, equals 5 squared, or 5 times 5, which is 25. You notice 25 is on this side. Awesome. And 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 is definitely equal to 25. So in this case, this shape would be a yes. This is a right triangle. Okay, this is also called the converse. So this is how, if your directions are asking you for the converse, you are telling them whether it's a right triangle or not. Hopefully this is helpful, and we try our best and ace that test. Good job, guys.